expertise, just like a mouse. I'm in your I got a machine turned to a poodle. Back in the days, you did Ethos and shooters. I got Alexa, you still using Google. If you ain't gang, use a microwave. I'm a big dog, put me in the cage. I'm pink, just like some lemonade. You yellow, I'm beige. What you gotta say? I like blues, but I listen to hip hop. She like me so much that she wearing my boot.
Yo, ramen noodles. It's your boy Noodle Too Spicy, and we back again with another video. Listen, y'all, today I will be making a video about something I really don't make videos about. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to get the best audio on BandLab. If you're a musical artist that's really trying to get up there, you feel me, and you want your audio to sound good in your raps and stuff, then I'll be teaching you the best presets to make your audio to sound good on BandLab. Now, for some of you who don't know who BandLab is, it's basically a music recording platform where you can record all types of music and make beats, play instruments. It's basically like a music platform. You can share your music, you can record your music, you can make music, you can make beats, you can do all types of things that has to do with music. And today I will be teaching you guys how to make your audio sound good on BandLab. So without further ado, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe while you wait it so you can get more videos like this. And let's get into it. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so basically what y'all want to do is open up the app BandLab, man. Obviously. You know what I'm saying? Wait till it loads. Give it a couple seconds. Then yeah, it should take you here, and then now what you want to do is press the plus at the bottom. All right, press the plus at the bottom and scroll over to where it says import track. All right, you want to press that, and it has 3 options: music library, photo library, and more. You know what I'm saying? I screen recorded the beat, so I'm gonna press photo library. You know what I'm saying? I should this beat right here. And I'm gonna let y'all hear it real quick when it's done compressing, y'all. I'm gonna give it some time. All right, y'all, so I finally got the beat, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all hear it real quick. I don't mind that noise. This is what it sounds like, basically. Yeah, that's basically how it sounds, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So basically what you want to do is you want to add a mic. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you want to add your mic. Add another one if you want to do another verse. Or you want to do punch-ins. You know what I'm saying? You want to add another mic. Then you want to add another one for your ad-libs and stuff. So yeah. Want to add another mic. And for your ad-libs, I would advise you to use Hypebox. You know what I'm saying? Use that so it can sound like you talking in the telephone or something. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys my preset and how I make my stuff sound good. And yeah. So basically we got the preset Noise Gate. Noise Gate basically, it tunes out all the background noise and stuff when you're recording. So if somebody's talking in the background, it cuts that out like automatically. But like if you recording the background noise within the headphones, then it's obviously gonna make you hear it in the song. So that's what Noise Gate basically does. This is the main important thing that you need. It's not the main important thing, but you need it. So yeah, we got Tech Lab. This is basically, it clears the reduction and stuff. And you know what I'm saying, if you want to pause the video or screenshot the presets that I have, then go ahead and do that. Feel free to do that. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just trying to show y'all how to get the audio that y'all want so it can sound crispy. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, just pause the video on each preset I go to. You know what I'm saying? This is basically all the stuff that I use to make my stuff sound good. You know what I'm saying? So basically, y'all, that's just the main stuff that I use to get my stuff to sound crispy. So basically, you want to grab both of your mics, your purple and your pink mic, and do it on a preset that I use. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. So basically, I'm going to just come up with some random stuff off the top of my head. I'm going off the dome. This is just a test record to see how it sounds so y'all can know that I'm not playing with y'all. Like, this is actually going to make your audio sound good. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm going to do a test record so y'all can know how it sound. You know, and then you want to turn your vocals up. You got to turn your vocals up. Got to do that. So yeah. I'm going to rewind to the beat where it actually drops. I'm going to just think of something. The chop it make you unhappy. You're going to go eat me up just like a frappy. Alright, y'all, you know what I'm saying? That was just something. You know what I'm saying? That was something. It was something. And then if you want to do a punch in, go to your other mic and just do another, you know what I'm saying, another bar. You know? I'm going to think of something else off the top of my head. My pack is juicy. Your pack is ashy. Alright, y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all how it sounds when I'm done doing the test record. Haters be hating. They trying to bash me. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm going to show y'all how it sounds. Do not mind the stuff in the background. Do not do that. Do not mind that. The chopper, it make you unhappy. You're going to go eat me up just like a frappy. My pack is juicy. Your pack is ashy. Haters be hating. They trying to bash me. You know what I'm saying? My stuff sound a little echoey because I'm in my room. See, if I was to record it in my closet, like, it would sound way better because my closet has no echo-ness because, like, it's a close space. And, you know what I'm saying, sound can't really travel like that in the closet. So, when you record sound in the closet, it actually sounds better. Like, it's like you in a whole live studio booth. So, basically, what you want to do after that is your ad-libs. I'm going to just come up with my ad-libs that I always use. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Brrrah. Ashy. Bash me. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's the ad-libs. That's the ad-libs I be using and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind the noise, because every time I unplug the headphones, that's just what it does. But yeah, this is what it basically should sound like after. But like I said, I would recommend y'all, I can't even talk. I would recommend y'all go in the closet and record your songs, because when you do that, it sounds more better. So yeah, just go in the closet. You know, sorry, somebody was calling me, y'all. Scam likely number. But yeah, just go in the closet and record. It's gonna sound better. Like, I'm telling y'all, it's gonna sound way better when you record in the closet. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it sound. The chopper, it make you unhappy. You're gonna go eat me up just like a frappy. My pack is juicy, your pack is ashy. Haters be hating, they tryna bash me. So that's basically how it should sound, y'all. I hope that helped out, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you want it to sound way better, you gotta go in the closet and record it. Sound can't travel in the closet. See, I'm in my whole room, so sound could travel anywhere. So when sound travels, the mic on the headphone basically record the sound traveling. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? I hope this video helped out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. And make sure you subscribe if you want more videos like this. And press that post notification bell so you can know every time I post a banger for y'all. You know what I'm saying? And your boy Noodle is out. Peace.
When I went to the school, I was up in the dirt. Talking bad about the game, that's the stuff get you murdered. When I was in class, all I did was rehearse. With my squad in the race, we be finishing first. I remember them days when I just had